Hello and welcome to lauriceskitchen. Today, we're finishing up our 3-episode series with paprika rubbed pork and chicken breasts. This dish starts on the stovetop, finishes in the oven with a brief stint on the stovetop to make a pan sauce. So let's get started. Whether you're using pork tenderloins or chicken breasts, the rub is the most important thing. We'll be using both sweet and smoked paprika, along with just enough cayenne to make things interesting. We'll need dried thyme and salt as well. Now, as always, the ingredients are listed here, as well as the full recipe and instructions in the description box below. If you're using pork, you'll need 2 pork tenderloins that have been cleaned and trimmed. If you're using chicken, you'll need 1 chicken breast per person. So let's get started. I have 2 pork tenderloins here and I did cut them in half. I'm using about half of this rub and we're going to coat them completely. These need to sit for about 15 minutes on the countertop after they've been coated. I'm splitting this rub between the pork tenderloins and these 2 chicken breasts. And I'm only cooking 2 because we're also cooking all that additional pork. These need to be rubbed and also sit on the countertop for 15 minutes. I have about 2 tablespoons of oil in here. We're going to heat this on high until this shimmers. While that meat is cooking, we can get the ingredients for our pan sauce together. We'll be using honey, garlic, sherry vinegar, chicken broth, and butter. Now the garlic is kind of as much as you want. The recipe calls for 6 cloves, but I'll probably be using the entire bulb, and this does need to be sliced. Both a pork and a chicken plate. I'm going to give the pork a taste. It is so tender. Get a little bit of garlic on here. Some of that pan sauce. That is so flavorful. Perfect. Thank you for visiting Laurice's Kitchen. If you enjoyed this video, give the like button a click and don't forget to leave a comment. We're always happy to hear from you. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and don't keep us a secret. Share our videos with your friends and family. You can follow us on Facebook for behind-the-scenes pics and videos, and on Twitter for upcoming videos and the random cat picture.